Hey, welcome back, viewers. We are back in the garage tonight. We're going to work on putting cooling fans in a 2000 Honda CRV. Got to get them swapped out for my son quick so he doesn't overheat on the way to school. But let's get started on this cooling fan. Okay, guys, I just got my phone out here tonight instead of my other camera setup. So what we're going to do is just trying to hold this and work on it. I might have to set it down a couple times. We'll see how it goes. But we got two brand new fans. The one was not working on. The other one you could spin it up and get to start. So we're going to replace them both real quick and then fire it up. So let's start. We're going to start by unhooking this bracket here, get this out of the way, just so I can get my fat fan hands down in here and get these tabs pulled off the fan switches, and then we'll get the fans pulled out. Guys, I got this set up there. Hopefully it'll give you a pretty good view of what I'm doing. I know it's not the greatest camera setup, but bear with me here. So this should be a 10mm down here. I'm just going to take this bracket off. It's easier to get my hands in there. The only reason I'm taking this off, I can pull this connector up so I get a little higher so I can grab the tab and get it. As you see, my thumb's a little out of commission here. Cut the end of it off. So it's making things a little more difficult, but we'll get her done. Okay, so see, that gave me a little more room here to get this tab. I can see what's going on with it. This thumb is making everything a little bit more difficult than it should be, but we got it out of there. Next, we'll pull this little bracket out of the other way here. 10mm. All that does is let me flip that out of the way. We got two 10mm bolts for this fan. Pull this one off first. And what we'll try and do is we'll try and get the fan up high enough we can unplug it easier. I don't remember yet, but we might have to loosen these radiator brackets up just to bring the radiator forward to get the fans out. Which I think I'm going to do right from the start so we don't have to fight it. That's not what you want to do, guys. Snap the bolt off right at the start here. You can fix that, not a problem. Not ideal, but not a problem. So if you saw in previous videos, we replaced this radiator because the bottom split out of it, and this is kind of giving us a better idea why that bottom split out. Now that we see that our cooling fans haven't been working. There's one fan out. So we're going to get the other fan out so we don't have to fight it to get it back in. So we got one bolt we already took out that had our bracket on that hold our clip. Get this other 10mm out here. And this one actually has a 10mm bolt at the bottom. Just one, I think, if I remember right. And I was wrong, guys. There's one more down there. So recognize I have a young kid with skinny hands. Fortunately, they're all no longer young. Ouch. Okay. Good news is I got the bolt out. Bad news is I dropped my wrench down there. As you see fighting this, you can see why I want to pull the other fan out first. This one here, got the tabs. I started my bolts below. And we got the top bolts here. Fish this thing down in here if we can. A little wiggling, guys, to get it where it belongs. Once you get it in there, it's not so bad. One in the slot. That actually went better than I expected. 2 bolts are in the bottom. One of our bolts started here. There's a little tab here. This tab goes down inside the radiator plastic. And this goes like, the bolt goes through like that. So we got our 2 top ones tight. And we'll suck the bottom ones tight. Okay. That took entirely longer than it should have. Okay, so now we gotta get our wire connector up there. Fish this through here. Bring our connector we took over here back. Now it's plugged back in. Now we can slide our bracket back on. Just slide that in the tab on top. Bend that a little bit there. Perfect. Okay, so one fan's done. So this one has a little tab here. It sits down the slot, and then I've got 2 bolts on top. Line up that tab first. And like a little slot just kind of rests in. So these little square nuts, guys, just slide in these inserts for the radiator. So be careful you don't lose any of them. I dropped one of them down there. That's why I pulled this back out. Should be good to go. Making a groove down here. You heard that? I just did the same thing again. This bracket here has a rubber grommet in it. We don't have one for this side. For whatever reason, it's gone. We're going to switch these brackets over. The rubber grommet's on this side, and then where the bolt broke off, we put a self-driller in there. Pull that one back over. Holds that in place. Put the other bracket back over. Little tab there. That's good. We'll get a self driller in here. Okay guys, so we got the air conditioner on. We can kick both the fans on, they'll kick on with the AC on, so it's either both working, so we know that the relays and all are good, we know the fans are good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you that video helps you out a little bit. You can figure out them fans in your CRV. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned, like the video.